The present video solution is the second problem in the set of 4 problems on memories, and this problem is of GATE 2007 and it's of 2 marks. We'll read out the problem here. An 8255 chip is interfaced to an 8085 microprocessor system as an IO mapped IO as shown in the figure. The address lines A0 and A1 of 8085 are used by the 8255 chip to decode internally its 3 ports and control register. The address lines A3 to A7 as well as the IO over M bar signal are used to address decoding. The range of addresses for which 8255 chip would get selected is, and these are the 4 options here. The circuit diagram is shown here. This is the corresponding circuit diagram. Here say 8255 interface chip, and this is NAND gate, and these are the address decoding address decoding ports, and these are A1, A0 signals. Now here we have 8255 chip that has to be interfaced to microprocessor, and it is interfaced in IO map IO. That means its address space is in the IO space. A1 and A0, they are used to decode the internal 3 ports of 8255 and the control register part, and rest from A3 to A7 and the IO over M bar signal, they are used for address decoding. These signals are used for address decoding, and we have to find the range of the addresses for 8255 chip. We observe here that in this chip select signal, CS bar is active low. That means whenever this signal is low, then only this chip would be selected. For the low output of a NAND gate, all the inputs should be high. Okay, so all these inputs should be high, like A7, A6, A5, A4, A3, IO over M bar, all have to be high. So we take the address space and then make them 1. Okay, like A7, A6, A5, A4, A3, they are all 1. IO over M bar also is 1, and then the other addresses like A1, A0, starting addresses would be 0 to this, and the A2 is also used for address decoding, so this also would be 0 in the beginning, and the end address would be 111 at these locations. So you can see here, this is the starting address 000, and this is the maximum address with these 111. Other address lines will remain same, and if you look for these address locations, starting address and the end address, we find this here. F8, you can see here, this is F8, this is F, and this is 8, F8. Okay, and then you will get here, the next would be FF, this also F, this also F, and hex. So the address ranges from F8H to FFH, and which is corresponding to option C here. You can just see the option C in the choice here. This is option C, that is F8H to FFH. So this is the right option here. So this would be the corresponding address for this 8255 chip. Thank you.